Okay, I'm ready. Do I just go?
You've done this before?
Yeah. All right. So this is a walkthrough. Is it a walkthrough or is it just a? There you go. All right. Welcome back. I don't want the box in here. All right. Today we're doing we're just cleaning these. What are these? Some sort of like what colorway? I don't think it matters. Cleaning dunks. Crusty. All right. Yeah. I was in Lake Powell. Burst an eardrum. I don't know. Sunburns. Where have you been, Ben? What? Moving what? Okay. That's my favorite part. Pulling them out of the bottom. Ding! That's a good clip. One of my favorite parts on one of the older videos. No, it wasn't even the older one. It was the one with like the blazers that were super dusty. And then you put the da-da-da cowboy like jingle thing. That was so funny. The whole Sahara Desert's in here.
The Sahara Desert?
Yeah, yeah. I like that a lot. That's one of my favorite videos. Like the hawk. These are actually really clean. Like even the stickers are still in there and like the bottom logo. So looks like they just got some mud on them. I need to start thinking about what my special word is gonna be. We're still doing that? Mario Kart? Nah, I think it's gotta be funny. Jolly Rancher, pineapple juice, maple syrup. I'm thinking out loud. I feel like I had a really funny random word today. I don't remember what it was though. Okay, so actually no, I'm gonna go with this. And because I feel like a lot of this can just brush off. Maybe I was wrong. All right, we're just gonna get this a little bit wet. We don't want to get it too wet because I feel like, especially with these, because they are brand new, they just have a little bit of like mud on them. I don't want to spread it into like the stitching and get the stitching stained. It's just a little bit wet. It's just moist. Fun word. Everybody's just looking at me. Look at that. It's a clean dunk. All right, so that's it. Just kidding. Something smells like, not sure what. This Mitchell should be pretty. Yeah. Easy.
You like jazz?
Stressing me out, actually. Actually, no. Those corduroy shoes are stressing me out. I have, but yeah, but Ben's made me scared. Yeah, he was like, you need to be super careful. And I'm like overthinking it, and I'm like, all right, oh, this is gonna be fun. This toe box is nasty. Oh, I remember my word. All right, it's coming later. You have to watch till the end though, because if you don't, then that's just not as fun. Because I don't know, you came here to see me, obvious. Okay, now we're moving on to the toothbrush. Most goated tool in my arsenal. I remember that word from earlier. Tough crowd. Yeah. But still, toothbrush. Goated with the sauce, all right? Can you put a goat in sauce? Goated with the sauce. Nah, yeah. This is fun.
Okay.
But goats are animal. Oh, check that out. Look at it. These VNDS, almost. These are basically brand new now. Look at that. Nike on the back, little dusty. That felt wet. Nothing. All right, now we're gonna work on the bottom. I have a good feeling about this. I think it's gonna be gross. So we're going with the soft brush again because it's really not in, I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, wow, that sucks. I'm dripping everywhere. Do it again. Carter, do the roar.
Do the roar! Do the roar!
You know, I'd rather not. It's my kid's birthday party.
Do the roar!
What's that from?
Shrek.
Oh, I don't know. I have seen Shrek, but I just didn't watch it religiously as a child. I should have. Add that clip. I was gonna say something. Forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, Mambas for no. You know, the Roar. Isn't that what they're trying to change the? It's called the Roar. Oh, I think I put it back on the thing. Can you grab the pick right there, Ben? The red thing. Yeah.
I'm not drawing.
Caught it. Watch, I'm gonna shoot this rock at you. Oh, there's another one. This is like glass. That's glass. Nobody's in here without shoes on.
Right
Is that what that sounds like when it hits that? That's loud. Do you want some ASMR? Where's the thing?
It's gotta be those where it's like you're not actually. It's just that. Stop.
I don't know how to do ASMR things. Kidding. Look at this though. So the bottoms. Look at that monster piece of glass. You can see that from there. That's glass. Ready? 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 Okay, ready?
Oh.
Oh, I hit Lindsay with it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it. What was that? Oh, well, Yeah, put it now. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, I was gonna show you this. Look at that. Looks better. I wanna go to Target right now. I bought a Lego Lamborghini Countach. I'm still waiting to build it.
Lucky.
There was one left and it was like $20 and I was like, I have to. $19.99. I didn't check, but not a ton. The back end kind of looks funky though. Wax on, wax off. All right, I'm gonna start saying movie quotes and you guys have to guess, all right? Actually, I'm trying to think of movie quotes. I know one from this one movie, but I don't know if it's in other movies too. Probably is. The wax on, wax off. Probably, I was thinking of Ninja Turtles, but I was actually in, no biggie. What about this one? What's that one, Ben? No. It's 2,000 Leagues Under the Sea. I don't even have it yet. Oh! Okay, so these things, see these? These things are goated. It's these and these. This combo, clean anything. But you dip this in the solution, you can like detail clean. It's the best. Especially on this part up here, because sometimes you don't want to use harsh brushes to get all the dirt out, so you can use a Q-tip and it won't like mess up the leather on top, which is pretty cool. When did they invent these? When did these come out? When did these drop? Was it on sneakers? Probably. This Nike app.
Where were you aiming?
The camera / Carter. And if Ben was standing right there, it would have hit him. We need to find, hey, if you can think of a good nickname for Benj, comment it down below. Because I can't do Ben and Benj. It is, yeah. So, yeah. I was pushing for Nui for Benj, but didn't stick. So, we need some Birkenstock. You got it, Carter. That looks clean. See that?
Evan, all the light is back there by you.
Can you see?
All the light's by you.
No, but do you see it?
No.
It's like those
the
kids.
light is
It's
by
like those
you.
kids in elementary. They're trying to show you something. And they're like, "Can you see it? Can you look? See?" I was probably one of those kids. If I'm being honest. Is this some good B-roll? But this looks sick. All right, now we're gonna clean the bottoms of these. We're gonna go crazy. Ready? This is gonna be dope. Messy. Don't see anything expensive. Okay, never mind. Actually, wait. We're gonna do this one. Pretty sure this one makes a mess. Isn't it 260? I think it's 260. Oh, it looks like a Hershey's Kiss. There you go.
But I took a class in like 10th grade. Didn't remember anything.
I'm
So it
in
is
11th, 12th, and I still don't remember anything.
no more grainy footage. No, I know.
I just made a connection. The 10th grade, and I was thinking 11th, and then I thought 12th because I'm going into 12th. And then I was like, oh, I remember when I was in kindergarten. K through 12, that's what it stands for. No, I thought it was some sort of cool thing that came up that sounded cool. The kids were gonna dig. K-12. Lindsay, did you know that K-12, like
Yes.
K through 12 meant kindergarten through 12th grade? There's gotta be somebody else who didn't know that. They're like 4.
Exactly.
0. I don't know. Just kidding. I remember your ages. Ready? 15, 11, 8. Look at this. These shoes are looking crispy. Now I just need to do the laces. So what? For the laces? Oh, I don't care.
Because next week is gonna be the.
I'm excited. It'd be funny if somebody chucked something to me and I like caught it but then fell out of my chair.
Hey, there's a light.
I know I have the force. Oh, that was cool. Did you see that? Okay, so we're gonna dunk these laces. All right, ready for this? This is gonna be. Oh, I got a biggin. Oh yeah. It's like a crocodile hunter. Steve Irwin, R.I.P. Should have put a towel down, but I didn't. So nah. Nah. Choose this one. This one's still new. I was just thinking maybe I could. Yeah. Watch. This is the best part right here. See if you can see it. Oh. Oh. Just gonna let that drip a little bit. That's funny. It'd be even funnier if you bleached your jeans. I don't know what you're saying right now. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Oh.
I zoned out.
Okay, ready? We're gonna clean this table now. You see that? That was cool. I was hoping it was gonna land on it, but it didn't. Okay. Now do I sit back where I was, or no? I disappear.
Because you disappeared.
We need that. Check this out. This is gonna be one of the fastest laces I've ever done.
Can you fast mode it?
You should do that. You should have me doing.
It would be sick if you can't. Like you can't see your head.
Yeah.
Oh, so I just. Uh-oh. I've already messed it up.
We try not to over. I'm from Cali.
Let me just get this first one.
Look down.
So that's walkthrough. Not really walkthrough. We just cleaned these, but they're beautiful now. You just saw me do some magic tricks, because I'm a magician, and a ninja too. Yeah. So that's that. Follow us on our socials, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. If you made it this far in the video, comment Fruity Pebbles, and then we'll choose your comments in a later video, just for a little shout out. I checked.
Wait, end the video.